Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this Thank You March video trend on TikTok. So since we're leaving March and we're going to April, then let me show you how you can create a collage of photos and videos for March which you have captured and just appreciate March 2025. So to create this video trend, you need TikTok and you need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download this. Now, once you've downloaded that, go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as that template will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which you're going to create, the Thank You March. So go ahead and tap on Capcut, Thank You March, then tap on Use Template in Capcut. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and post all the pictures of March. You can choose videos and photos, so it's completely up to you. Then tap on Next, and this will basically create a video for you. And now once you're happy, tap Add Sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. The sound has already been added as it's a template. Go ahead and add your captions. Now go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. So for those of you who are trying to find this template, you can go ahead and open up your TikTok app, navigate to Test the Simple Dad account. Here, you'll see that template right here. Tap on this, and then you can go ahead and tap on Capcut Thank You March. And then you can go ahead and follow the rest of this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the Thank You March trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.